Lately, the Dollar Tree has been copying every single beauty brand, and I love it. Maximum effort is being made. Same fonts, exact color scheme, even down to copying the directions word for word. We've got a lot of beauty stuff today. We're gonna test the real one up against the Dollar Tree one and see if it's a dupe or just a lookalike. These are bronzing drops. Be Pure from the Dollar Tree is $1.25 and e.l.f. is $13. The Dollar Tree one is a lot thinner. e.l.f. has a thicker consistency, and the Dollar Tree one looks like it has more shimmer than the e.l.f. one, but the colors are pretty similar. So it says you can use it as is on your face, or you can blend it with a lotion. So the first one, we'll do e.l.f. on the leg. Oh, wow. That is orange. And on the top of the leg, we'll do Be Pure. Come on, girl. Oh, what? Already, the Be Pure one does not blend as nicely as the e.l.f. one. Do you see that? Just pretend I shaved my legs. So this is the e.l.f. one, and this is the Be Pure one. It's a very orangey color, too much shimmer, and doesn't blend as well. I mean, maybe from far away. Oh, wow. If I could do that, I'd have 10 boyfriends. Maybe from far away, this will be okay, but when you get up close, it's starting to rub off. Roll off almost. See, the e.l.f. one is rolling off. The Dollar Tree one is staying on. It just doesn't look as great. Wouldn't do a whole body coverage. You're not gonna be fooling anyone. Who was it? Sally Hansen used to make airbrush legs where it was kind of similar to this, but it was an aerosol can and you would spray on this very matte orangey color. It looked like spray on pantyhose. It was actually a really good product because it would cover up varicose veins or any imperfections, spider veins. You got those, I've got those. It would 100% cover them up. However, it would transfer. Kind of like this is going to. You put this on, you go to your Tinder date's house, sit on his white sofa, you're gonna leave leg imprints. So they are very similar. If I had to pick one, I would probably use the e.l.f. one just for the color being a little less orange tangerine-ish. We're back in with my favorite lip gloss from last week. Beauty Impressions is $1.25 and this is the Ordinary, it's $10. These are both squalene, am I saying that right? Just pretend I am. Squalene lip balms. Squalene can be plant-based or animal-based, and it comes from shark livers. It says 3 million sharks are killed annually for the squalene, which is primarily used in cosmetics. Are you feeling guilty yet? And squalene, according to this, I don't know anything, repairs moisture, brings back moisture in the skin. The Ordinary uses plant-based squalenes. She's squallering at the holler. That's what my mom used to say. Squallering in the South is like, you're crying, you're being frantic. She would have to say that to me a lot. Not too sure if this one is plant-based or shark-based. I mean, I'm assuming it's plant-based because that would be cheaper than using sharks, right? Last week, I showed you the coconut lime one. I was able to go back and get the berry one. Ooh, the Ordinary one is dye-free, scent-free. This one has lots of scents, lots of dyes. The Dollar Tree one. I tested these both for a few days, and they are very similar. Ordinary on the top, Dollar Tree on the bottom. I actually like the Dollar Tree one a lot better. The Ordinary one is nice, but it has a very Vaseline type feel. It's very thick. The Dollar Tree one is thinner, and I think it looks better on, and it doesn't give you those lines, or not lines. You know, sometimes you'll get buildup around your mouth. Anybody else, or is that just me? What are you doing? Product buildup, cosmetics, lip gloss. Okay, I would save the $10 and just get this. This is my favorite lip gloss of all time right now. Not this one, the orange one, the coconut one, but this one smells nice enough. The D25 really said copy and paste with this one. We have Vaseline all over body balm. This is $8 versus the Dollar Tree Extra Care, and it's $1.25. You get 1.4 ounces in each one. This is the Vaseline, this is the Dollar Tree. I don't know if you'll be able to tell just looking at the screen, but the Vaseline one is made with paraffin, so it's really slick or smooth. It glides. The Dollar Tree one is made with beeswax, so it's very sticky and doesn't roll on as well. My hands are dry as heck. The Dollar Tree one just feels a little sticky. If you put this on your hands and pet your cat, hair everywhere. The Vaseline one really is much better as far as a moisturizing stick. Because of the paraffin, it glides on. It does have a little residue, like it doesn't absorb completely in the skin. It feels like dipping your hand in a candle. You ever done that? I love to do that. I still do that now as an adult. I'll dip my fingers in the candle and make little wax figures. Maybe that's why I can't get anything done. I'm doing everything but what I'm supposed to be doing. In my opinion, the Dollar Tree one is a waste because of the beeswax. I would just stick with the real brand Vaseline. We've got something I swore I would never buy. Touchland hand sanitizer. Touchland is right on up there in things I think are ridiculous. So we have Stanley Cups, Labubu's, Touchland, Uggs. Why are boots that look like house shoes $150? Don't influence me to do any of that. But for the purpose of this video, we have a Touchland. This one is $10 versus the Be Pure one from the Dollar Tree. That's $1.25. This one looks like it's from Wishland. Remember, wish.com. Oh, that actually smells good. They're both the same percentage of alcohol, 70%. The Dollar Tree one is water, fragrance, blue 1, yellow 5. You had to add that in there for health. The Touchland one has a lot of things I can't pronounce, but it's a lot of lubricating, can you use a better word, moisturizing ingredients. So not only is it going to clean your hands with the alcohol that dries skin out, it's going to put moisture back in if you care about that, or just use soap. Oh, that does smell good though. Don't judge me, this is root beer. The Dollar Tree also had these accessories for your hand sanitizer in this beautiful nude shade. Oh, is it going to fit this Touchland one? Oh, it sure is. Well, it doesn't look too great there. You can put this on your purse right next to your La Boo Boo while you're jingle jangling your Stanley at my face, or perhaps your Hello Kitty Starbucks tumbler. Did y'all see that? The Hello Kitty craze at Starbucks? People fighting over a cup with a cat. My brain can't even comprehend that either. Hell, I thought we were in a recession or damn near entering one. But y'all have money to buy $400 cups off eBay? Asking for a friend where you're working at. I wonder that a lot. When I'm driving and there's just mansion, 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 and everybody is home. Everybody's home. Your man's in the garden, you're laying out by the pool, the kids are playing in the sprinkler, nobody's working. How do you do that? Are you selling crack or Bitcoin? No judgment, just let me know. Meanwhile, I'll be here reviewing Dollar Tree. Excuse me, let me try that again. Meanwhile, I'll be here reviewing Dollar Tree products. Back to this, I would just buy this Be Pure. It's the same thing, you don't need anything fancy. It's alcohol, fragrance, and food coloring. They also have these spray hand sanitizers. This one is from Bath & Body Works, it's $4, and this one's from the D25, it is $1.25. 72% alcohol, 70% alcohol. Both have dyes, fragrance. Chemicals are trying to kill us. The Bath & Body Works one is very small. Smell that. That smells like crumble cookies when they're pulling cookies out of the oven. You know what? That's also up there with things that annoy me. Put that right under La Boo Boo's crumble cookie. Why is the cookie $6? It smells like the oven, crumble cookie oven, and a brewery, say it with me, brewery, place where they brew beer, come together. So it smells like beer and cookies. The Bath & Body Works really is something else. The smells in there, hell, I know when I'm in there, I spray about 20 things. So imagine that times hundreds of people every single day spraying. Mark my words, there will be a class action lawsuit around 2050 for Bath & Body Works employees. They're gonna start growing like an 11th toe or something because of all the fragrance. Oh, this one smells good. It is watermelon. To me, it actually smells better than the Touchland one. So again, I would go with the Dollar Tree one just because it's $1.25. You don't need to be fancy, you don't need that. And if for some reason you think you do, buy one, use it, refill it with this. Trick your brain into thinking you have the real one. Apologies, I've been doing a lot of rambling. I just looked at the time on the camera. Shut the hell up. This isn't a vlog. I tried vlogs or vlog style. Views were down. I finally realized that you have to be an interesting person to make a vlog. So that's not me. I do the same thing at the same time with the same people every single day. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, $20 versus Dollar Tree's Extra Care Hydro Plus Water Gel, $1.25. This is the lotion I was using, so it's almost gone. But I recently switched to the Ordinary because it has no fragrance. Fragrance really bothers me. Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors. That's what it's called? I guess. It's $10 for a huge bottle, and it's similar to this, but it's more of like a hair gel texture. For me, it works better because I have super oily skin. It helps control the oil a bit, but I was using this and I really like this too. Just the fragrance was too much. It smells like some sort of laundry detergent. Smell this one, that's the Dollar Tree one. Whatever scent that is, that's much better. It's a little bit lighter. So this is the fancy one, and this is the Dollar Tree. Similar colors, that blue one, similar textures. It's that gel. And they actually have similar ingredients, at least at the beginning. Both even have hyaluronic acid. That was a big word. I tested this on Monday. Today is Friday, so I've used it for, 4 days. The Dollar Tree one is very similar to this, other than the smell. The texture is a little looser. Yeah, looser. Positive affirmations. It glides on the same. To me, it's very comparable, other than it absorbs on the skin a lot faster. When I would wear this one, I could only wear it at night because it was very heavy. It took a long time for my my skin to actually absorb it. The Dollar Tree one, it just soaked it right up. I wouldn't call it an actual dupe. It is a really good look-alike and it's close. Some of the ingredients are a little off, but it definitely is worth picking up. These are eye rollers. The name brand one is $16, Dollar Tree $1.25. They had a lot of skincare items in this brand. Dermasil, I think a lot of it is copying Drunk Elephant. They may have a Drunk Elephant eye roller. I have no idea. Honestly, I'm not into luxury skincare. Am I not into it, or just can I not be into it? The trick with these, you need to store them in the fridge so it makes this feel nice and cold when you roll it under your eyeballs. The Garnier one has silicones in it, so it's gonna smooth your skin out. It also has caffeine and mint extract. So it feels cold when you roll it on. Not only does this Dollar Tree one do the exact same thing, with the exception it does not have silicones in it, so it's not going to instantly smooth out under your eyes, and it does not have the mint extract. It has vitamin C, so that's going to be for brightening under your eyes over time if you have dark circles around your eyes. And it also has peptides. I'm going to be reading this because I had to get help from the esthetician down here to explain this. So my eyes are gonna be over here. So this one has metrixol. You following me? 3,000, which is palmitoyl triapeptide -1 plus palmitoyl triaterapeptide -7. This is a combination that is used in anti-aging products, serums that usually cost $20 to $40. So having this in the Dollar Tree version is very impressive. Notes from her. So this helps over time produce more collagen, reduce inflammation, and soften fine lines. This one is more for I've been up all night crying my Tinder date broke up with me because I sat on his white sofa with my Be Pure Dollar Tree bronzing drops on my legs. Ruined the sofa. He broke up with me. I have to go to work the next day and pretend like he did not break up with me, so this will help reduce the puffiness under the eye. This Dollar Tree one is for more long-term results used over time. I'll have to keep you updated on this one. I've only been using it for about 4 days, but just judging by the ingredients alone, I would go with this one. Lotion for cracked, dry hands. The name brand is called Working Hands. It's $8, and the Dollar Tree one is by Extra Care, and it's called Active Hands. The Dollar Tree one uses mostly palm oils, which melt faster, but they can be drying. Kind of like palm olive. Is that what it's called? The dish soap. This is the name brand one. That was named after palm and olive oil, palm oil, olive oil, that were the main ingredients in that soap in I'm losing it. It was 18 something. Add that to the useless information that will get you nowhere. This is the Working Hands one. They have pretty similar textures. The best way to describe it is like solid coconut oil, how when you rub it together, the friction, the heat from your hands melts it. The Dollar Tree one is a little thicker, doesn't melt as fast. It's using mineral oil, and mineral oil is used in a lot of hair products, more so the cheaper ones. It's a really inexpensive filler. The real one also has dimethicone, which is also in a lot of hair products. It's a silicone that creates a protective barrier to lock in the product. The Active Hands one does not. It's gonna absorb in your skin and kind of disappear. The Working Hands one is going to absorb and kind of stay because it has that protective layer. So if you've got some dry hands, which I do, I would suggest going with the real one. You'll use less over time. EOS Vanilla Cashmere, this is $10 versus the Pro Silk Body, it's $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. Both in cashmere, which I thought cashmere was a sweater. Cashmere is combining musky, vanilla, and woody notes with a hint of spice and light florals. Yummy, musky wood. It's a natural fiber found from the undercoat of goats. What? So a cashmere sweater is made from the undercoat of goats. That's why it's so expensive. That's probably why I don't have any. I don't have any goat clothing. I did try goat head for the first time at the Indian restaurant, and it was just okay. It had a very beef jerky, gamey flavor. Not really for me. EOS, a lot thicker. You can even tell that just by looking at it. This one feels like Pantene Pro V conditioner. Very watery. The EOS one smells a little earthy, like vanilla. It's not a bad scent at all. It's a very thick consistency. It has a lot of shea butters, oils. And the Dollar Tree one, what is that? Smell that. I don't know what that is, but I don't like it. Maybe that's what a goat smells like, the undercoat of a goat. It's not even really comparable to the EOS one. It does just feel like putting conditioner on your body. It absorbs really quickly and it doesn't leave a lasting effect. If you just want to use lotion and you don't have extreme dry skin, this would be fine. But if you're looking for something with a deeper moisture that will help repair the skin, you know, sometimes if your skin gets really dry, it hurts. My hands do that and I look all shriveled up like witch hands. If you also have that issue, I would go with the name brand one. Lastly, we have claw clips. This one's from the Dollar Tree. It's $1.25. This one's from Amazon and it was $8, but you actually get 2 of these. So technically $4. And they're the exact same style of claw clip. They look the same on the bottom and the top. This is the Amazon one, and this is the Dollar Tree one. The clips are the same actual clip, it's just the design that's a little bit different, but I actually prefer the Dollar Tree one. I like this one from Amazon, but it's a little too much for me. I'm pretty simple when it comes to wardrobe, accessories, jewelry. As you can see, I'm a simple gal when it comes to my appearance, but the insides of me, my personality is very complex. It makes up for the simplicity on the outside. The inside is complicated. So this is more my style. That wraps up today's Dollar Tree lookalikes. What are you doing with your hands? I appreciate you being here for whatever this is. Let me know what your favorite Dollar Tree item is. And if you like this video, you can subscribe if you want. I'm here every single Sunday, 1 p.m. Eastern time, and on the other side of the internet for very boring tips and tricks, hair tips and tricks, tutorials. I'll link my hair channel below.